It is 10:20 a.m. And it looks like it may be a little busy already. I think it opened up at 9 a.m. Actually, the size of all these stones. So far, I'm impressed. The gates. I love these old Japanese castles. It's like, how did they put this together? Looks like a beautiful garden. But okay, we will go the other way. The eating space. I guess you go back here, buy your food, you can come out front here and eat. So check out what they got. Nice. I don't know who this is. Somebody can translate that for me and put it in the comments. I'd greatly appreciate it. Looks like the toilets are back here. And a temple. Something else I always love is these old temples. I've actually been here for a week. This is my first video. It is a cool 90 degrees this morning. So, just been so daggone hot. Haven't taken many. But that's going to change. I'm going to go to Kyoto tomorrow and be sure I hit some places this weekend. Looks like we're entering the main gate. I'm guessing that in the background is Osaka Castle. But look at them stones. So impressive. No drone zone. Good to know. Okay, I don't know what this is over here. Going by the sign, it looks like shopping, restaurants. Shopping and restaurants. Not really hungry right at the moment. There it is. That is just amazing. I know this is not the original. It's been destroyed a few times, rebuilt, but still, I'm impressed. So from what I read, Osaka Castle is probably the best castle in Japan. And I don't think you can take video except just a few floors, but we're gonna go find out. Oh, there's my ticket. And there is the castle. So, there will be steps. And I think inside there's many more to go. There's the boats. Nice view. Not as crowded as I expected, though. Going to lower floors, they're still all there. It is Osaka. Look at the size of that city.
No, you're fine. This is that's where we came out.
Just incredible. Got one more side to check out, and then we're headed down. People don't understand the flow of traffic. I'm impressed. Oh, I'm done. I won't get in your way. Try to take a picture. People look at you and step in front of you. Nice. Okay, we're headed down and out. And you can't have a museum without a gift shop. Okay. See if we can get through here. Well, that was worth a visit. Let's go see what's back here. Lots of vending machines over there. Line to get in is still pretty long. So Osaka Castle is pretty impressive. There is one thing that I was hoping to see that they did not have, and that was an area that showed the daily life in the castle back when it was inhabited. There was nothing that I saw even close to that. I mean, it is definitely a museum. As far as the building goes, on the inside, there's not much of original left. Again, I really love these walls, these trees. So this place is definitely impressive and most definitely worth a visit if you're in Osaka. Would I come here a second time? Probably not, but I'm glad I came here this time. All I gotta say is, wow, this is great. Just amazing how they put this together. Look at them stones. I have no idea what it says. Again, if somebody would translate for me, I would appreciate it. You can see on these carvings, not well, but different markings, I guess belonging to the people who cut them. It told in the museum, but I didn't read it. But I think that's what this is. This gives information on the different symbols. Okay, this is where I wanted to be. nicer part of the moat. Over there's the tourist boats. You can take a ride if you wish. Just look at them walls. That is just incredible. Oh, there's one. Nice. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed my visit here. If you did, please like, subscribe.